Learn how to blanch and freeze carrots with this quick and easy guide brought to you by recipes.net. Start by preparing the carrots. Remove the top green stubbles before rinsing the carrots under cool running water. Peel the carrots using a vegetable peeler. Slice the top and ends, then cut them up depending on the way you want to use them. If using baby carrots, there's no need to cut them as small carrots can be frozen as a whole. Blanching the carrots. Bring water to a boil, then blanch the sliced carrots for 2 minutes only. For smaller baby carrots, it should be blanched for 5 minutes. Once done, submerge in a bowl filled with ice and water, then let them cool for at least 2 minutes. Drain off excess moisture and dab dry with paper towels. Freezing the carrots. Place the carrot slices in a tray and wrap them with cling film. Freeze for at least 3 hours or until frozen. Transfer them into freezer-friendly containers such as freezer bags or resealable plastic bags. Seal them tightly, label accordingly, and store until ready for use. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.